from Toy Kingdom, the brother of the Thor.
Okay, can we see the Black Widow now? That's for the accessories pala.
I have a new toy from Toy Kingdom that my daddy bought from Avengers. Toy Kingdom is Avengers. Black Widow, Loki, Loki's brother of the Thor.
Okay, Loki is the brother of Thor and Black Widow is?
He is a girl.
Okay. It's one of the Titan hero also. Who bought that one for you?
My dad.
Wow, that is? Who is that?
Loki and Black Widow.
Loki and? Wow, okay. So you're going to play with that one later, okay? No? You wanted to play with that one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it. Yay! It's on sale for only 500 pesos from 1,509.75.
This one is, look at this.
And this one is Loki's. Yan. Wow, from Toy Kingdom.
Now let's get it.
Okay, let's open it. Okay, can we see the Black Widow now? Okay, Black Widow is one of the characters from Avengers Infinity Wars, the Titan Hero series.
Yeah, I can put it over here. You can put it back.
Oh. Ah, that's for the accessories pala.
Mommy, thank you for this one. This one,
What's that?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
This is from Avengers.
Okay, show them.
Wow! The Avengers are not completed yet.
Okay.
By
What's the other one on your hand?
Hot Wheels. What you bought from me from Shopee. Hi! Welcome back to Axel's World, Part 7. I will show you my favorite costume when I was 4.
Okay, what is your favorite costume and the cartoon character when you were 4?
It was the Catboy and the Spider-Man.
Okay,
Not
where?
the mushroom, it's so disgusting.
Okay.
It's so funny.
Yeah, you like your Catboy suit?
Yeah?
Okay.
I'm Axel.
Oh, hi, Axel. You just took your bath, right?
Yeah?
Feeling fresh?
Yeah?
How are you
Because
feeling?
the dinosaurs are down there.
Yeah. Okay. How are you feeling today?
Good. And I lost his face.
Okay. And then, can you show us what's your favorite there? The toy?
The Catboy.
Okay. Is he riding his own car?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the other one?
The small one.
Yeah. Can you show us the small one?
Here we go. And you, mommy, you buy this suit for me.
Yeah, I know. Do you like your new chair?
Yeah?
Okay. So that is used for you to eat your apples.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's Jollibee. There's Jollibee. What is inside the Jollibee lunchbox? Okay, you have to show them. Let's show them. Let's show them and let them guess what's inside the Jollibee lunchbox. We converted into... Let's see what's inside. It's not a food, but it is crayons. Okay. There you are. So why do you like Catboy so much?
Because it's so fast.
What? He's so?
Fast.
Oh, he's so fast. He's so fast.
I have a tail.
Okay, can you show us your tail? Okay, there you are. It's a little bit fit to you because you're growing. Okay, show them your mask.
There you go.
Okay, can you tell them what did Catboy say on his show? You don't know? What did What does he usually say?
I don't know.
Huh? It's time to be...
A hero.
Yeah, it's time to be a hero. Okay.
Here's that boy.
Yeah.
I'm the boy.
Okay. Say thank you everyone for watching.
Thank you everyone for watching tomorrow, the Spider-Man and the Minions.
Okay.
Ba
Say...
ba 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 ba. Earlier.
Okay. Goodbye. Say smile everyone.
Bye.
Okay.
In this clock.